Hey, what's up, guys? So today we got another mail call. We only got a couple pieces of mail here, so I'm gonna open them up first. Last time I got this bottle opener from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. So this is going to be the official bottle opener of the shed. So we are going to have another Corona. Cheers. Oh, this shit's good. All right. Oh, we only got two pieces today, so and look at this knife. Woohoo. That's a nail file. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Going with the tiny one today. All right. First one is from GETWRENCHD in Florida. Wow, nice posting. Printed it out and everything. Got a nice return address. That's pretty spiffy. I like spiffy. All right. All right, let's see what we got. Hey, goofy bastard. Great channel. Looking forward to seeing more. Thanks, Johnny. That's what it says. This is Johnny, right? I got my glasses on. All right. Nice, nice sticker there. Nice matte finish. I like that. Nice logo. All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate you. It's gonna go up on the board. All right. This big package right here is from Mr Mcstache. A little while back, I won a giveaway, which was his 400 subscriber giveaway. And even though Baby Mcstache couldn't say my name, I still won. So let's see what kind of goodies he's got in here. And we're going to break this knife. Let's just do it that way then. Shall we? I don't think this knife was made to do this. Oh, shit. A lot of good shit. Alright. Party mustaches. We're going to have a good time. Alright. That's cool. What's this? Oh, nice. A Mr. Mcstache Gator. For the Corona days. That's right. We're going to be sporting that, buddy. That's a good one. Look at that. That's nice. I got it. Got me a Mr. Mcstache t-shirt. You will see this when I'm riding one day. That's cool. Oh, shit. And a Mr. Mcstache coffee mug. Damn, man, you really set me off here. You really... Oh, shit inside. Hold on. Oh, dang, got a tire. Wow. Tire pressure gauge. Hey, he really another mustache. Is that a wax mustache? Hey, you really hooked me up, man. Look at you go. All right. That's some good shit in here, man. Wow. That is awesome. All right, there's my little trusty Swiss Army knockoff looking knife. You got some good shit in here, man. Oh, damn. Keep on cutting the letters. I suck at this. All right. Oh, damn. Goofy, congratulations on your winning. Sorry it took a few to get your loot crate out, but we build them after the winner is picked. That's cool. I have included the stickers for the swap and the possibly hazardous to women and children mustache seeds. Well, not hazardous, but in my case, unwanted hair growth. Huh. Love on your family. Check on a buddy. Keep the rubber side down. Thanks, Mr Mcstache. Oh, there you go. These are the little mustache seeds. You know what? I might have to grow out a 70s, put these somewhere where the sun don't shine, grow out a 70s bush. You know? It might happen. That's cool. Alright. First off, we got a spam card. Nothing on the back. Glare. There we go. Next, we got a wooden nickel. Have you checked on the buddy today? No, but I checked on my mom today, so that's a good thing. Some smaller stickers. Mr Mcstache. Motorcycle meanderings. And a bigger sticker. I really do appreciate all this good stuff. This is awesome. This is an awesome prize pack. Look at all this shit. That is great. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely gonna wear that. Definitely gonna wear the shirt too. Thank you very much. So let's get the stickers up on the board. I'll show you that in a second. Be right back. All right, guys, we're to the board. All right, so we got the GETWRENCHD, we got the Mr Mcstache, and we got the Mcstache seed. There we go. All right, guys, just want to thank GETWRENCHD and Mr Mcstache for all the good stuff. All right, so until next time, my friends, stay safe, love one another. Peace.